If I asked you to describe your dream home, where would it be? A place that has the energy of a city and the peace of a retreat. A community that is modern but still feels warm and homely. What if all the conveniences you need are a stone's throw away, while still having nature right outside your doorstep? Imagine being part of a vibrant community, yet always finding your own peaceful corner within it. A place where your kids have endless opportunities, while still having open spaces to play in, just like you did. ये बस कोई सपना नहीं है जनाब, यही तो है प्राइड वर्ल्ड सिटी, a global city of the future. Pride World City is envisioned to be a sprawling 400-acre marvel, where every facet of living comes together in a single expansive township. This development will seamlessly integrate residential spaces, a commercial complex, essential services, and various recreational options, catering to diverse lifestyles and family needs. The goal is to create a self-contained infrastructure, providing everything needed for a balanced and satisfying lifestyle. Integrated townships में एक pioneering concept, जिसकी शुरुआत हुई एक आदमी की सोच से, और उस सोच को हकीकत में बदलने के उनके सपने से.
When we go abroad and when we see the lifestyle of the people and the development there, वो देख के एक प्रेरणा हुई कि ऐसा अपन अपने देश में अपने लोगों को क्यों नहीं दे सकते. उस थॉट को लेके मैंने पुणे आके एक लार्ज लैंड बैंक ढूंढना शुरू किया, क्योंकि लार्ज लैंड बैंक में ही इस तरह की ऑर्गेनाइज्ड डेवलपमेंट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं.
Stepping into Pride World City is like entering a whole new world. It's a city within a city that feels like a serene retreat because it is surrounded by hills and defense areas, offering fresh air, open spaces, and loads of greenery.
प्राइड वर्ल्ड सिटी चरोली की जो लोकेशन है पुणे और पिंपरी चिंचवड के सेंटर में है. सो ग्रेटर पुणे की ये मोस्ट सेंट्रली लोकेटेड लोकेशन है. सारे पुणे के इम्पोर्टेंट डेस्टिनेशन ऑल आर विद इन 10 किलोमीटर रेडियस.
In 30 minutes or so, I reach my office. My own firm, which is in Viman Nagar, is about 20 to 30 minutes travel distance.
Suppose there's an emergency at home, like my daughter needs me for something, so I can just drive back as soon as possible.
Once this ring road is coming, which is passing through this location, which is connecting Bombay-Pune Express Highway to Kharadi, we'll be having an excellent connectivity.
Inside Pride World City, we have a complete marketplace.
Is introducing the hospital. That is a big society, so that will help us in futures when that hospital will be ready for us.
Everything is easily accessible, so there is no need to go out.
We've got a 5-year-old daughter, so one of the best things that we like over here is that there are a lot of amenities for her to play. Not just for kids, even for senior citizens, adults, specific walking track, yoga space. It's amazing to have such kind of amenities.
I think the community over here is fantastic.
Any point of time you feel like you are living in a place where you feel belonged.
Pride World City is a perfect example of a diverse cosmopolitan township.
World City, we are trying to bring an upgraded lifestyle. Club Charoli is one of the first or biggest steps in doing exactly that. Whether it's meeting new people and building a community, whether it's taking strides in your fitness and your health, exploring new cuisines and expanding your palate, cause it's also a place to relax, a place to host your events, one step towards upgrading your lifestyle among the very many we're going to bring in Pride World City.
The most important thing is to deliver the project on time, and that too without compromise on quality. Whatever material we use, that passes through all the quality parameters. We use the latest technology through which we achieve the speed and quality of our projects.
I can proudly say कि प्राइड ग्रुप पूना का सबसे अच्छा डेवलपर है जहाँ पे इन्वायरमेंट, हेल्थ और सेफ्टी के सारे सिस्टम इम्प्लीमेंटेड है और यहाँ पे हमारे वर्कर काफ़ी खुश हैं हमारे साथ में काम करने के लिए.
In Pride World City, we are improving day by day and we are making our customer life better day by day. All this happening just because of customer support, our team support, and we are a debt-free company.
So you see, Pride World City is not just fancy infrastructure. It's not just concrete and bricks and glass. Pride World City is a way of life. It's the people who live here. It's a promise of satisfaction, balance, and happiness. It's the privilege to craft your perfect life without any compromises. ताकि अगली बार अगर आपको कोई अपना ड्रीम होम डिस्क्राइब करने बोले, आप बोल सको.
This is my dream home.
Pride World City is our dream home.
And of course, it's my dream home at Pride World City.